Hey guys, it's Ashley and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get Bella Swan's makeup look from Breaking Dawn Part 2. This is like when after she turned into a vampire and all, and as you can see I got my little costume on, like had my gloves on because it's cold outside and we actually had, here in Missouri, we actually had a little snowstorm pass by here, so that's why I decided to do this look right now. Because if I do it later, then all the snow is gonna melt and all. But and this video does feature my dog, as you can tell from the intro. So anyways, let's get right into the video. I have already applied my moisturizer and face primer, and now we're just moving on to some foundation. I'm taking the lightest one that I have and mixing it with some white face paint because we want a very pale skin. I also decided to blend in the foundation and face paint all the way down to my neck and a little bit on my chest as well. Now I'm taking some bronzer and doing some contouring under my cheekbones and under my jawline a little. Now I'm going to just take a blending sponge and just blend in the bronzer to make it more natural looking. To make the eyeshadows last forever, I'm going to be applying some eye primer all over my eyes and on the bottom as well. I also went back to the same bronzer I used earlier to contour my nose to make mine a little bit more like Kristen Stewart's. To give myself that vampire glow, I'm going to do some highlighting on my upper cheeks and down the bridge of my nose and anywhere else I want to highlight, and I'm using the highlighter kit that I featured in my Marshall's makeup haul. Now set everything with some translucent powder. Using a matte nude eyeshadow, I'm taking this to the inner corners of my eyes to deepen it up a little. Now I'm mixing this pink nude color and this shade from my Profusion Eye and Cheek palette in the shade Honest, and I'm taking that into the crease in a rounded shape. Now I'm taking this brown color in the shade Cookie and applying it to the center of my crease for some warmth. Now I'm taking this matte white eyeshadow in the shade Whipped and I'm applying this to the brow bone. Now I'm taking this dark brown eyeshadow and applying it to the outer V to deepen it up a little. Using a shimmery coppery eyeshadow, apply this to all of your lids. Now I'm taking the shades Rosebud and Merlot from my Lorac Pro 4 palette, and I'm defining my eyes a little by blending this in with the matte eyeshadows we used. I also dragged this on the bottom half of my lash line as well. Now I'm taking this gold eyeshadow in Candlelight and applying this to my bottom lash line to spoke it out, and also apply this to my crease as well. Now take a frosty silver eyeshadow and apply it to the inner corners of your eyes. Now I'm taking some black eyeshadow and a small angled brush, and I'm just gonna line my eyes in a very small line since Bella doesn't really wear eyeliner, and I'm just gonna take my fingers and to blend it all out to make it more natural looking. Now I'm taking this dark colored blush and I'm applying it to my cheeks, and then I'm gonna blend it all in with a sponge since on the second cheek I added a little too much. Next, curl your lashes and apply some of your favorite mascara. And I just took some white eyeshadow to brighten up the inner corners a little bit. Now I'm going to be filling in my eyebrows, and I'm using the one in my shade because I don't have naturally brown hair, nor do I have a brown wig or anything like that. But if I did, I would have filled in my eyebrows brown or brunette. Now for the lips, I thought it'd be fun to have a little lip combo, so I'm taking this red lip color and just applying it to the outer corners of my mouth and then all over my lip, and taking this peach color and applying it to the center, and then I'm just gonna blend those two together, and there's the complete Bella Swan vampire makeup look. Now for the outfit, I just had this black jacket I had, and I have a black tank top underneath along with some black jeans and the black gloves since it was really cold outside, and also some black boots. And also I really hope you enjoy my werewolf friend, aka my dog Lacey, in the video. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial video. Please like and subscribe. Comment below any videos you want to do next. I know I have some makeup tutorial videos I need to do, especially this one character from the Rage Carry 2. And also before I end this video, I'm just gonna ask that you guys please pray for Texas, especially those, because you know because of the snowstorms that about 5 million people lost power in Texas. So yeah, I'm just, and also to other states that are going through this as well with the snowstorms that just passed here across the country, including my state. But like I'm doing okay and all, like I haven't lost power or anything, but I'm just asking you guys just to please pray for Texas as they struggle through this. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!